Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I am coming at you with a card share video, and I am using a die set that I got in my Crafty Advent Calendar by Spellbinders. So I've been watching all the different YouTubers open the calendar each day and make awesome cards. Well, I knew that that wasn't going to work for me. I wanted to purchase it, but I was kind of hesitant because I knew I wasn't going to be able to do one per day. But I thought, well, why not purchase it and just make creations and share them whenever I want? So that's what I did. I got my calendar kind of late, and I'll tell you what actually made me purchase the calendar. So I used the Advent calendar, and then the day I chose to share with you today is day number 6. And that was when they opened the little bee. And that was when I decided I wanted the calendar because he was so adorable. And so I purchased it, and of course, didn't get it in time to open one every day, but I enjoyed watching all the different videos, and the crafters were so awesome in making creations with the Advent calendar. I know some people got the calendar a little earlier than others, by Spellbinders, sending it early, but I really was impressed by making a video for each day for the item that was for that day. That makes sense. So as you can see here, I have them all here waiting for me to make a design. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping the little window on them, and then once I make a card that I want to share, I may not share everything that I make with them, but once I go through the ones that I want to do, then I'll just kind of put them all in some other type of storage, but without the little windows indicating which day that I'm using. So it's a bunch of items. So let me share with you my card. But first, I'll share with you that I use the Let It Be paper from Graphic 45. This is one of my favorite paper pads, and just beautiful, colorful florals. The sunflower. And when I saw the little bee, I knew immediately that I wanted to use this paper to make a card with. I also used, and I believe I purchased this from Amazon, this die set by Surprise Creations. It's one of my favorites because it's a large dies in here, and I do make large cards, 5x7, 5x6.5. So I love using this. I try not to use it so much that it becomes just overused, but really like this set. And then I believe that's it. Oh, no. I used some gems from my stash, and these little waterfall clear ones, water drop looking ones, and they are by Pretty Pink Posh. So let me share the card. So here's my little bee card. So like I said, I've seen so many people use the different day items from the Advent calendar that I, kind of want to go a different way. So I'm using the pattern paper. So I thought he turned out cute. And so I used this little saying that was in part of the cut aparts, and it says, "In a world full of roses, be a sunflower." So I thought it turned out a little cute. It's a little whimsical with this, little cute little bee, and then the paper that's, so beautiful and serious kind of. But I thought it turned out cute. So that's my card for day 6 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent calendar. Let me know below if you like the little bee here on this pattern paper. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would love for you to join my small little channel here. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.